Windows are an essential part of any home. They bring natural light into your space, provide ventilation, and contribute to your home's overall energy efficiency. However, like any other element of your home, windows have a lifespan. Over time, wear and tear can impact their functionality and appearance. If you're a homeowner in Clinton Township, knowing when it's time to replace your windows can help you save on energy bills, improve the comfort of your home, and increase its value. Here are some signs that it may be time to replace your windows. Increased energy bills. One of the most common indicators that your windows need replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Older windows or windows that are no longer sealed properly can allow drafts to enter and conditioned air to escape. As a result, your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility costs. If you notice that your home feels drafty, or if you're constantly adjusting the thermostat, it could be time to replace your windows with more energy-efficient options. Modern windows, especially those with double or triple panes, are designed to better insulate your home and keep your energy bills in check. Visible damage or wear. Windows are constantly exposed to the elements, and over time, this can cause significant wear and tear. If you notice cracks, chips, or broken glass in your windows, this is a clear sign that it's time to replace them. In addition to affecting your home's aesthetic appeal, damaged windows can compromise your security and make your home more vulnerable to the weather. Wooden window frames can also warp, rot, or become infested with insects, particularly in areas with high humidity or fluctuating temperatures, like Clinton Township. If you notice any of these issues with your window frames, it's important to address them before the problem worsens. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Another sign that your windows may need replacing is if you experience difficulty opening or closing them. Over time, window sashes, locks, and other mechanisms can wear out, making it difficult to operate the windows smoothly. In addition to being frustrating, this can be a safety issue if you're unable to open your windows in the event of an emergency. In some cases, the window might be fixable with a minor repair, but if the issue persists or worsens, it could be a sign that the window's structural integrity has been compromised, and replacement might be the best option. Foggy or condensation-filled windows. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes of your double or triple paned windows, it's a clear sign that the seal has broken. The insulating gas between the panes has likely leaked out, which not only reduces the window's energy efficiency but also diminishes its ability to provide proper insulation. Foggy windows can be unsightly and can also lead to further damage, as moisture can accumulate and cause mold or mildew to develop. Replacing your windows with new, sealed units will restore clarity and improve their insulating properties. Noise pollution. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a noisy street in Clinton Township, noise pollution can become an issue. Older windows often lack the noise-dampening qualities of modern windows, making it difficult to block out unwanted sounds from the outside world. If you notice that noise from traffic, neighbors, or other external sources is interfering with your peace and quiet, it may be time to invest in windows that offer better soundproofing capabilities. Upgrading to windows with laminated glass or soundproofing features can significantly reduce noise infiltration, helping to create a more peaceful indoor environment. Aesthetic appeal. Over time, windows can become outdated, discolored, or faded due to sun exposure and the natural aging process. If your windows are detracting from your home's curb appeal, it may be time for an upgrade. New windows can give your home a fresh, modern look while also improving energy efficiency and security. If you're considering selling your home, new windows can also increase its value, making it a wise investment. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient windows that will save them money in the long term. Security concerns. Windows are an important part of your home's security system. Old or damaged windows with compromised locks or broken frames can make it easier for intruders to break in. If your windows no longer close securely or the locks don't function properly, it's time to replace them. Conclusion. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Replacing old or damaged windows in Clinton Township can help you save money, increase comfort, and enhance your home's overall appearance and security. With a wide range of energy-efficient and durable options available, window replacement is an investment that will pay off for years to come. Reach out to a trusted window professional today to discuss your needs and explore the best options for your home.